Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to construct a triangle. We'll explore the essential steps and tools needed to accurately draw these fundamental shapes. You'll learn to identify the specific information required, such as side lengths or angles, before you even begin. Precision is key, so we'll focus on using your ruler, compass, and protractor effectively to achieve perfect results every time. First, let's tackle the side-side-side, or SSS method. You'll need 3 specific side lengths. Start by drawing the longest side as your base. Then, using your compass, set its radius to the length of the second side and draw an arc from one end of your base. Repeat this for the third side from the other end. The point where these 2 arcs intersect is your third vertex. Simply connect this point to the ends of your base, and voila, your triangle is complete. Next up is the side-angle side, or SAS method. Here, you're given 2 side lengths and the angle between them. Begin by drawing one of the given sides as your base. At one end of this base, use your protractor to carefully measure and draw the specified included angle. Now, measure the length of the second side along the arm of that angle. Finally, connect the end point of this second side to the other end of your base to finish your triangle. It's all about precision. Finally, let's explore the angle side angle, or a SAM method. For this, you'll have 2 angles and the side between them. Start by drawing the given side as the base of your triangle. Then, at each end of this base, use your protractor to accurately measure and draw the 2 specified angles. Extend these angle lines until they meet. The point where they intersect will be your third vertex, completing your triangle. This method ensures your angles and side are perfectly aligned.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.